I'm sure you're wondering why you're here. You deny culpability, no doubt for the circumstances in which you got yourselves here. Salvation can be yours if you can cleanse your souls in which of the habitual lies that have brought you here, lies that have told yourselves, lies that have brutalized others. Confess. The truth will set you free. For any attempt to violate my rules will kill you. I want to play a game. First, an offering of blood, no matter how little, will give you a green light to escape from this room with your lives. If you can release yourself from your demons, then you begin to shed the chains that those demons bring with you. First, an offering of blood that I have requested, or face severe consequences. The choice is yours. Game over. Hello, Amanda. You don't know me, but I know you. The device you're wearing around your head is called the reverse bear trap. Here, let me show you. You only have 1 minute. Actually, you have until dawn to get the device off your head. Hurry. Make your choice.